So that's this piece I wrote. It struck me as being a little weird, so that's why I titled it that. And I do a lot of the things we're trying to do. Okay, so if you notice all these sharps there, that's because I went up there and I picked the key I was in. And if you notice this 3-4 instead of the usual 4-4, which makes it kind of weird. That's how I did it over there. Those are the last couple lessons. Okay. What else did I do? I did mostly stepwise motion, but there are some leaps. That line to that line. So as long as you're seeing just kind of up from the line to the space. As far as this week goes, I worked with repeats. And the way I did that was I found it over here in this menu, made sure that it was there. So I wrote this section, and then I put a repeat after it. And then I wrote this section by adding 4 measures with the plus sign. And then I added by copying and pasting that just to the end. And this time I just did it the one time. So I've got my first section, my second section, and then a little repeat of my first section. And now I've got a piece that's got a little bit of form to it. A theme that starts and then starts again. A counter theme that's a little shorter that starts and starts again. And then a final repetition of the same theme. So it's not just a little sentence, but now you're putting your sentence together into paragraphs. Okay, I'm going to play the piece now on the computer. And you'll see I picked a very aggressive tempo for this, and I'm rethinking how it'll play out, because when I play it on the guitar I realize it's a little bit nicer, a little slower, I think. Yeah, and the fake piano on this really murders those notes. It's so much nicer, I think, with the guitar, if I do say so myself. And so on. I just think it sounds nice on a real instrument. And that's what you should keep in mind when you make your pieces, too. If you play an instrument, you should try to write for your instrument and try to get real people to play your pieces. That can happen. Okay, bye.